Okay, let's open Excel Test Expert and go to the File menu and Save As, and click on Excel Expert Working, and or change the name to Excel Expert Working, and let's click on the Save button. And yes, we want to replace the original. Now let's go to the File menu and Open, or just click the Open button, and we want to open Excel X Working 2 and click in A7 and click the Function button, and let's select Math and Trig from the categories, and let's scroll down and select Round. And OK. And now let's click the first Reduce button, and go to the Windows menu and select Excel Expert Working, and we're going to click on B5 and then click the Expand button on our function window and type 2 in the number of digits, and OK. Now use the drag handle to copy that down to A13, and then click in A7, and let's remove the $sign between the B and the 5 in the formula, because we don't want to copy exactly the same cell each time. Now let's click in A7 again and copy that down, and that's better. Now let's copy across so that A7, copy A7 to A13 across B and C, or at least across column B, and click in A7 and remove the $sign before the B, and let's copy that across again, and we see the effect. And double click between A and B so we can see everything. Now click in A8 and change the 2 at the end of the formula to 1, and then in A9 you want to change that 2 to a 0 and see the different effects. And likewise in A10 we want to change it to -1. And you'll see the different roundings. Let's go to A11 and make that -2, and then in A13 we'll make it -3, and then click in A15 and type equals round open parenthesis sum open parenthesis A7 colon A13, and in close parenthesis, comma 2 close parenthesis, and press the Enter key. And now we can close Excel X Working 2, and we don't need to save it. Now let's click on the Sales tab and go to the Data menu and select Filter and Auto Filter, and let's select the drop arrow for Salesperson and click J Keno, and then we see the effect, and let's click that drop arrow for Salesperson again and select All. And then we want to select M. Blake, and then from the month we want to select January, and now let's go to the Data menu and select Filter and Show All, and now let's go to the drop arrow for Units and select Custom. And from the first drop arrow under Units, let's select is greater than or equal to and type 1500 in the second box. And from the second drop arrow under units, let's select is less than or equal to, and we'll type 2500 in the fourth box and click OK. And we see that effect. Now for the units drop arrow, let's select all. And now let's go to the products drop arrow and select custom, and we want equals, and let's type MS asterisk and OK. And now let's go to the data menu, filter, and turn off auto filter. Now let's scroll to the bottom of the worksheet, and in A196 we want to type product, and in B196 we want to type salesperson, and then we want to type K. Montman in A197, and we want to, and computers made easy, and J. Kino, and there we go. Now let's go to the data menu and filter and advanced filter, and we want to make sure the ranges are correct, and in the second box let's click in there and select the information we just typed in and OK. And now let's go to the data menu, filter and show all, and let's save that.